Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to block ads on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to block Temu ads on your phone, guys, first open up your Temu app. And before we proceed, you need to know a thing, that is, if we are blocking the advertisement from Temu, either they are the notifications or you can directly block the ads only. So in order to block the notification from Temu, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of icons. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and when you land over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings option, and when landing over here, you can see the notifications option available for us just below the currency. Tap on notifications, and from over here, guys, in order to turn off the particular notifications from Temu, you can see they send us promotions or updates, chat messages, customers, activity, avatar, and username sharing. Now most of the advertisements from Temu are promotions, so in order to block these promotions or ads, tap on the edit button at the bottom right side of that option where it says promotion, and you land over here where you will be able to turn off any kind of push notifications from Temu of the promotions or email. These were the notifications, guys. You can do it for all, but if you want to turn off all of the notifications at once from Temu, on this interface, tap on the permissions, and after landing on the permissions, guys, you can see here it says the notifications, and there is the go to settings option available for us over here on yellow text. Tap on go to settings. From over here, guys, tap on the manage notifications option over here, and you'll be able to turn off all of the notifications from Temu at once by tapping at the toggle icon at the right side of where it says allow notifications over here. And this is the way to block all of the notifications, guys. But in order to turn off or block the Temu ads, let's go back, and we'll be required to open the settings of the phone. And after opening the settings, guys, tap or open the option where it says connection and sharing on your phone. And after landing on the connection and sharing, you will be over here. Now in order to block the Temu ads, we will be required to set up a personal DNS with the ad guard. So to do that, guys, on this interface, tap on the private DNS option over here just above the Android Auto, and when you land over here, select the option that says designated private DNS. And when this interface appears, guys, type in dns.adguard.com and tap on the tick mark over here, and then all of the advertisement you were getting from the Temu as well as other apps will be turned off. And that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to block Temu ads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.